Hello, I'm glad you can join us today. We are beginning a very exciting series on who needs to file a tax return. Have you wondered whether you need to file a tax return or not, or who actually needs to file a tax return in the UK? Yeah, join us. I hope you can watch to the end and hopefully you can learn a few things about who needs to file a tax return. As usual, I'm going to share my screen and then we'll begin the series. So bear with me. Hello. Yeah, we're going to watch a quick video I've prepared on the topic, and afterwards we'll go through and do a few examples. So just bear with me. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, we're going to go through a bit more discussion, so just bear with me. So we are looking at who needs to file a tax return. Normally, if you are self-employed, or we call it sole proprietor, in that case, you have your own business, you run your own business, definitely you need to file a tax return, especially if you earn more than £1,000 in a tax year. So we are going to look at other situations where you need to file a tax return. If, let's say, you are a partner in a partnership business, definitely you need to file a tax return. Another instance where you need to file a tax return is if you receive rental income. Yes, if you receive rental income, you need to file a tax return. I've had instances where clients have got into trouble because they didn't file a tax return and they have rental income. And ignorance is not an excuse. So to avoid that, if you have rental income, definitely you need to file a tax return. And if you need help, you can always come to us and we'll. If you receive tips and commission, in that case, you need to file a tax return to declare the untaxed income. We can also look at if you have savings income, which is more than £10,000 in the tax year, or investment income, or dividend income. Now, if your dividend income in tax year 2020-21 is more than £2,000, you're chargeable to tax. So definitely you need to file a tax return. Also, if you have a foreign income, definitely you need to file a tax return, especially if you are UK resident, you need to file a tax return because you'll be chargeable to worldwide income. So if you have foreign income, you need to file a tax return. Another instance is, let's say you live abroad, but you have a business in the UK. So you have UK income, earnings from in the UK. If that is the case, you need to file a tax return. If a taxpayer, you have a chargeable gain. Let's say you sell a property, which is a capital asset, and you had whether you made a gain or a loss, you need to file a tax return. Any assets that you sell, whether being a property, being shares and stuff like that, these are assets, when you sell them, you need to file a tax return to declare your gains or your loss. When you earn more than £100,000 in a tax year, this you need to file whether your tax is already being deducted as source or not. As long as your income is more than £100,000 in a tax year, you need to file a tax return. If you claim a child benefit, and in this case, you'll be asked to file a tax return if either of the partners, either you or your partner, is earning more than £50,000 in a tax year, then you'll be asked to file a tax return. Thank you very much for making the time to join us. Hope this has been very useful to you. Continue to join us anytime we come live, and hope you will follow the link below to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can have access to our live videos. Thank you very much, and hope you can join us next time. Thank you.